Stefan had another successful season. At the European Visually Impaired Mixed Pairs Bowls Championships, the pair became champions, defeating Scotland, Ireland and Israel in the group stages, going on to win against Scotland in the final. This was followed by the UK Championships, where Steph and the Welsh team played 2 games against Scotland, 2 against England and 2 against Ireland. Steph was the only bowler selected to play in every single game.
Mae Lowry yn aelod o glwb nofio Llanelli a daeth yn bencampwr Prydain yn y ras dull rydd 200 medr aml ddosbarth i ferched yn bencampwriaeth gaeaf Aquatics GB Para. Ym bencampwriaeth cwrs hir cenedlaethol Cymru, daeth Lowry yn bencampwriaeth Cymru yn y ras dull rydd 400 medr, a hefyd yn yr un gystadleuaeth daeth yn bencampwriaeth Cymru yn y ras nofio ar y frest 50 medr. Mae cael ei dewis ar gyfer carfan berfformio nofio Cymru ar gyfer y tymor nesaf yn tystio i'w gwaith caled.
Jimmy competed in the European Adaptive Open Judo Championships, where he became champion. In the British Regional Schools Championships, Jimmy competed in the mainstream event, which he went on to win. He's also competed in the Swansea Half Marathon to improve his stamina and fitness for his judo competitions. Jimmy takes on challenges and competes in both mainstream and adaptive events, representing Great Britain around Europe. He's a ferocious competitor and is part of the Coleg Sir Gar Elite Performer programme.